going out. Ah, you drop the pan, drop the pan. See, I bought this rice. You know what will happen? Yes. Sit down, sit down. I bought this rice, and actually I am going out. I want you to count it so that you will carry time and go to your shop. Let me know whether this rice is complete. Eh? So you push, you count it, count everything, make sure it's complete. Are you hearing me? So don't worry, if you can't finish, you tell me how many you count. Be counting it once until you finish. So you push, you count it. Count it here. Be fast. Make sure you count it. Make sure it's complete. Oh. So I'm going. This update na baba. See them. All of them don't sleep. I thought people know the sleep. I never see anything. Chair goes here. Come and carry your brothers, go and put them in their room. Carry them, go and put them in their room. I can't say rice. I'm not going to hear word for you people. Because you're on holidays.